everybody. I wanted to make a practical card with some of the scraps that I have left over from the Garden Goddess collection from G45, and I purchased this at Artistic Studio Creations, so I'm going to make this one of my design team projects. And it's very practical. So this is a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. I cut it in half at 5.5 inches and then folded it in half. Zoom me out a little bit. Alright, and then like I said, I just have some scraps, and then I have one of the chipboard pieces, and I chose the one that has 2 holes in either side. So that we can use some twine, I think. I have some rickrack or some twine. Maybe I'll use both. I have twine, I have this brown rickrack, and I have this rickrack. So let's see what it looks like. I go in this hole and back out that hole so that you obviously don't so that looks okay. Let's try the twine, or this is a hemp cord. Look at this. I think this may be too thin, but I like it because it's like natural. Kind of like that. Let me see if I have any. How about this yellow seam binding, I think. Let's see here. This yellow seam binding goes very well with the paper, so let's try that one. Okay. In through the front. There you go. I like that better. Alright, that's pretty much ready to go. Now I have these 2 yellow scraps. This one just happens to be cut perfectly. And this one needs to be trimmed a little bit. And I want to cover up this seam here. So I want to make sure that I still have enough, I guess. It's perfect on this side. I think I'm a little crooked over here. There we go. And then I'm going to cut this off in my paper cutter. This little 1/8 inch hanging off. Right. So that's going to be the base layer. I'm going to cover the back, and then this, I want it off to the side just a little, but we don't have to make that decision right now because we can slide it. So, and you don't have to cut it either. or you don't have to tie it. If we want to use some score tape on here to make sure that it is secured on, we can do that. And I told you that my album was for a swap, and this is the card that's going with it. So hopefully by the time I post this, she will have gotten it and I don't have to hide it. Okay, so here we go. You just want to make sure that it's even. I think that looks pretty good. This is some very old dimensional adhesive. You can tell it's yellowing and stuff, but it's still sticky. So I'm putting one on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, I'm hitting the ribbon, that's why it won't work. There we go. I don't think it's straight. Is that better? Okay, and then we're going to pop this guy up too. This girl, really. And I'll slide her right there. And then I got some Simple Stories enamel dots, and I'm just going to use the yellow ones, and we'll go right down here, I think, with 3 sizes. Yellow, large, medium, and small. And that's pretty much it for the outside of the card. Oops. There we go. You can always wink a Stella, like her hair and stuff. Give her a little bit of shine. I have that is not clear. That was like silver. I have a clear gel pen that is just sparkling. This one, there it is. We'll use this one. Seemingly maybe dried up. This one's the gold. Very nice. I like it. There, what do you guys think? Alright, and then for the inside, let's grab a sticker. How about I just use this one. I'll just put it right here, and then the whole inside I can write on. Actually, I think I want to put it this way. Alright, you guys. There you are. Cute and simple. See the shine there? Alright, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later. Thanks a lot. Head on over to Artistic Studio Creations and get yourself the Garden Goddess collection while it's still on sale for 15% off. Thanks.